So hello everyone. In the previous video we discussed about that how we can create a product, and on the base on with that particular product how we can create a code. That's a simple thing. Now let's in this video we will discuss about that how we can show attribute values, show or hide the attributes value. For that let's consider a particular scenario, and then we have go on. In this video I will talk about the scenario, and later on you guys can do by your own self, and then compare that what you did and how it can be implemented. Okay, so we will go in that direction. So let's particularly discuss about a scenario. Okay, so let's consider a situation that we have a two phones, S26 and iPhone 18. Okay, we have two phones. In this phone, just like that in the previous we have discussed that it has a color red, black and gray, 128, 256 GB. So this is already have. Okay, so let's focus on the two properties. Okay, let's talk about the two properties. One is that color, and another is the RAM. Okay, so in this one we have a 8, sorry, in this we have a 16, 32, 64. Okay, sorry, it is not a sorry for the confusion. Okay, so in this we have a color like red, black, gray. Okay, and we have a RAM 16, 32, 64. Okay, simple. We have these two things. In iPhone, okay, in iPhone we have color and RAM as in iPhone, let's suppose that we have only black and gray. Okay, these things. And for RAM, in this one we have a 32 and 64. Okay, these two options. And here, so here we have a attributes and picklist values are same, but still we need to remove few of the values, or we can say that hide the few values from the attributes picklist. Okay, so if you go back to the point that how we are displaying these particular values, we are displaying with these particular value with the help of a product classification. Okay, we are displaying with the help of a product classification. So since these two product, okay, have different picklist values, okay, they have their means they are utilizing the same attribute and attribute values, mean picklist or picklist value, but still they have different configurations. So as we discussed earlier, that product classification is a set of configuration. So for S26 we will create PC1, that is our product classification 1, and iPhone 18 we will create another configuration called PC2 and assign that configuration to the phone, and it will automatically those values will be show and hidden. The thing is that both of them share common attribute picklist and values. Okay, both of them share common one, but in one PC1, okay, in one PC1 we have different we will show different picklist values, and in another PC1 PC2 we will show different picklist value. Okay, so this is an example that we are going to implement in and if you guys can try on that, you can maybe you can retrieve the solution, maybe or not, but it's depend on you. So let's see that how we can just take a pause and implement the solution, and thereafter compare that solution with how I implemented. Okay, so let's see.